Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make face serum using just 2 ingredients, jojoba oil and essential oils, and I'm using 2 essential oils, so technically 3 ingredients. So, jojoba oil, it's a 1/4 cup, English cup size, so that's what it looks like, so it's 65 millilitres of jojoba oil. And I'm using 2 essential oils because, as well as high cholesterol, I've also got high blood pressure, and I am on medication for my high blood pressure because I think it's hereditary through my dad. But there are a couple of essential oils that also work for high blood pressure, which are Ylang and Frankincense. They also both smell quite nice. Frankincense reminds me of when I was a little girl going to church, and Ylang, you get those in quite a few perfumes anyway. And I'll just, for information, got my glasses on, let you tell you what else frankincense and Ylang can be used for. So Ylang has been found in research to boost mood, reduce depression, alleviate anxiety, low blood pressure, which I already knew about, decrease heart rate, which is linked to blood pressure, stimulate oil production in the skin and on the scalp, so it's good for use on the skin anyway, and repel flying insects and kill bug larvae, so that's good to know if you have a problem with insects and bugs. I was going to use this frankincense. So frankincense, as well as blood pressure, I know when I was doing my course about this and teaching, referred to it as the king of oils because there's so many uses for frankincense. So here's 8 benefits of frankincense. Well, it helps reduce feelings of stress, feelings of anxiety, improves concentration and mood, kills harmful germs and bacteria. So if you're of a Christian background, you probably know that Jesus was given frankincense and gold, frankincense and myrrh as his by the 3 wise men or 3 kings. But things like the fact that it can kill harmful germs and bacteria, I assume at the time they knew that, so that's why they brought frankincense, because obviously young baby, it would be good for that sort of thing. Helps your immune system, prevents signs of aging, helps improve memory, and helps improve relaxation. So those are the uses of the essential oils, and now I just demonstrate myself doing it. Using that. Use 30 or just over 30 drops of essential oil, so I'm going to use 15 drops of each, so 15 drops of frankincense and 15 drops of Ylang. The frankincense comes out quite quickly. Find that with essential oils, some are a lot thicker than others, so some of them take quite a long time to come out, like drop by drop, others just sort of almost pour out. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Fork to stir it up. I think this might just make about 2 or 2 and a bit of these size bottles. So yeah, it's about 1 2/3 maybe of these size bottles. And here's the finished product. So just so you know, that's what it looks like. I won't put it on my face, I'll just show you. So it smells really nice actually. Ylanglang's a really nice scent, and it goes quite well with frankincense, so I'm just going to use it for rub it into my hands. Okay, that's face serum. Normally you just rub it in your hands, pat it on your face, and that's how you use face serum if you haven't used face serum before, and massage it in. It does smell really, really nice. So not only is it good therapeutically, it smells really nice as well. Hope you enjoyed that video. I'm Anne-Marie Pearman. Bye.